Hey man, how you doing? In this video, I'm gonna go into the live markets. It is currently 9:15 a.m. Eastern time, so literally in 15 minutes, the New York Stock Exchange will open. So I gotta be very fast, so I'm just gonna tell you quickly what I'm gonna do. So essentially, I'm gonna go into the live markets. I'm gonna show you everything step by step if I take a trade. Most likely, I will take a trade because by the title of this video, you will see if I took a trade or not. But regardless, put this video on full screen, get out from the comment section, take some notes, and let's just get into the markets. Alright, I bought on NAS 100, looking for the price to go up. I'm following this 50-minute time frame bullish option. Look at this. This is a 50-minute fair value gap got tapped into. Very nice respect of that. As soon as we tapped to that, we got that breaker structure, we got that reaction, and let's just ride this wave. Yo, woo, that's what we do. That's what we do, man. That's what we do. Amazing, bro. This is just amazing how, I mean, let's be honest, this was close in a way that I was about to get off from the charts because this was moving kind of choppily, but we got that reaction of the fair value gap. All right, bro, 2K, you saw that. And let me just do a trade recap because I cannot just show you. I have to also teach you because I'm not I'm not here to flex on you. I'm here to teach you and educate, motivate, innovate, all that good stuff. So essentially, if you see this beginning of the session, like for an hour, we just moved sideways. The beginning of the session was pretty promising, but then we had the 9:45 news. We had one out of liquidity around here, kind of pushed the price down, and then we had the 10 a.m. news, kind of messed the market up. We started to move sideways, and I was about to get out from the charts because usually I end my sessions at 10:30, meaning that I'm not looking for any setups after that. But then around at 10:30, and we start to move towards this 50-minute bullish fair value gap, which we can use as our advantage to follow the uptrend. Okay, and the thing is, it's not only that. It's the thing that we saw the reaction of that. As soon as we tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap, keep this in mind. This, I don't count this as that tap into because not in every single broker we tapped into, but in here we tapped into, and then we broke structure to the upside once, and that was already enough for me. But I kind of entered from this going down a little bit and then kind of reacting off of that, so it was a retracement. So I entered around here, put the stop loss below this 1 minute fair value gap, and I know I could have put the stop loss below here, below this freaking order block, but right here, but the risk ratio, risk versus profit, would have been kind of shit, right? So I took this amazing 1-to-2 retort ratio, 2K, $2,000. That's, I was waiting for the setup for 1 hour, bro. That's crazy. And I was about to get out from the charts, but you know, patience pays. I'm always trying to tell you guys this, that patience is what pays in the market. Okay, you have to just wait for the setup, and that's how you get paid, right? And right now, we just took some liquidity above here, and the reason why I target liquidity is because I target areas that could switch the market trend direction, and it kind of reacted a little bit, nothing crazy, but I'm not going to look for any buys or sells anymore because we're getting late in the session. But let's be honest, this is an amazing trade. Would take this trade again and again. Yo, it's about to be 11 a.m. Eastern time, and my day's already finished. I can hit the gym, I can do whatever I want, and I already made like $2,000. But am I here to flex on you? Hell no. And right now you may be like, okay, cool, you make money, but what about me? How can I also learn the skill? Well, you actually came into the right place, and since you made it this far, I'm actually proud of you because you're actually quite locked in. You want to become profitable, you want to learn a skill that nobody can take from you. Well, because of that, I have a gift for you. First of all, comment down below if you made it this far, and then click the first link in the description. It will take you to my full 1 hour long free day trading course. I'm gonna give it completely for free. I could charge $1,000 for it, but fuck it, man. But yeah, man, thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and share, and as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.